Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Jet Zone Mix. Today we are taking a detailed look at the F-9 Cougar, a jet that marked a major turning point in naval aviation and played a significant role in transitioning from early straight-wing fighters to more advanced swept-wing designs. The Cougar may not always be the first aircraft people mention when discussing iconic jets, but its contribution to carrier operations, training, and early jet combat development is undeniable. This video will walk through its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and a complete final overview to give you a clear understanding of what made this aircraft important in its time. The exterior design of the F-9 Cougar is centered around aerodynamic improvement and stability. Its most defining feature is the swept wing, a major upgrade from the older Panther design. This sweepback allowed the aircraft to fly more efficiently at higher speeds, reducing drag and giving pilots more control in transonic conditions. The fuselage is long, slim, and cleanly shaped to smooth airflow, while the cockpit is placed forward for better visibility during carrier landings. Its landing gear is rugged, built to handle the demanding stresses of naval flight operations, including hard deck landings and sudden catapult launches. The tail design and wingtip shaping also contribute to enhanced maneuverability, especially necessary for tight turns and steep recovery maneuvers. Overall, the aircraft's exterior showcases a perfect blend of aerodynamic progress and naval toughness. The interior of the F-9 Cougar is simple and designed for functionality. The cockpit features analog dials, well-organized gauges, and clear visibility for approach and landing. Controls are arranged to minimize pilot workload, especially in challenging low-speed carrier approaches. Though basic by modern standards, the cockpit provided everything needed for safe and efficient flight operations in its era. The performance of the F-9 Cougar reflects its strong engineering foundation. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney turbojet engine, it reached speeds of around 1,100 km per hour, which was impressive for the mid-1950s. The swept-wing design improved its acceleration, climb rate, and turning capability, making it far more capable than its predecessor. The aircraft was also known for its reliable low-speed handling, an essential quality for carrier-based jets that must approach the deck at controlled but precise speeds. The Cougar carried four 20mm cannons as its primary armament and could be outfitted with rockets, bombs, and early-generation air-to-air missiles. Its balanced combination of speed, firepower, and reliability made it widely used in both combat training and operational roles. Safety features were a major focus in the Cougar's design, as naval flight demands extremely dependable systems. The reinforced landing gear and tail hook were built to survive repeated carrier landings, while the strong airframe could withstand rough handling and sudden changes in wind during deck operations. The aircraft's predictable aerodynamic behavior helped reduce pilot error risks, especially during tight maneuvers or low-speed approaches. The cockpit included an ejection seat, an essential safety upgrade for pilots facing in-flight emergencies. Maintenance crews appreciated its straightforward system layout, which allowed quick checks and repairs, directly improving flight safety and mission readiness. The unique selling points of the F-9 Cougar come from its transitional role in aviation history. It was one of the early jets to fully adopt swept wings, making it a bridge between first-generation and more modern combat aircraft. Its strong reliability, low operating cost, and forgiving handling made it a perfect training platform for naval aviators entering the jet age. Pilots often praised its stable behavior, durability, and overall ease of operation. While not the fastest or most heavily armed aircraft of its time, it provided excellent value and adaptability. In terms of price, the F-9 Cougar was considered cost-effective during production compared to more advanced jets being developed later. Today, restored units found in museums or private collections vary in value, often ranging from several $100,000 to over $1 million depending on condition and historical significance.